welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I'm so happy to be uploading again. In today's video, I'm going to be starting a kitchen makeover series. So today is part 1 of my kitchen makeover series. It's long overdue. I wanted to make over my kitchen for a long time. Now, when I first moved here in 2016, I made over my kitchen somewhat, updated and bring it into the time, which that was in, like I said, in 2016. So I'm gonna insert some pictures and show y'all what my kitchen looked like when I first moved in here, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like after I did my kitchen refresh in 2016. So this is what my kitchen looks like now. It's not too bad, but it just doesn't look like it's in 2025 to me. So my plans for this makeover are to paint the kitchen cabinets. I'm going to put new hardware on the kitchen cabinet. I'm going to DIY my kitchen island, and I'm also going to put new blinds in the windows because I want to bring more light into the room. I'm also going to put peel and stick backsplash in countertops. Also going to add new lighting. This is going to be a lot of work for me, but I know that once I get this done, I'm going to be so happy with how everything turns out. So it'll all be worth it in the end. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to remove the kitchen cabinet doors so that I can start to strip the doors to get it ready for painting. Now, I really feel like I bit off more than I could chew because this process of stripping these cabinets was not easy for me. But what? It's okay because that's why it's a DIY. That being said, I hope that you'll follow along with me as I make over my kitchen one step at a time. My goal is to inspire you to do the things you think you can't do, because if I can do it, you can do it too. The product that I'm using to strip the cabinets is called Citry Strip.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in my dreams. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door, even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurts so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek, or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That wasn't there. Go back. Hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. If we try again, yeah. Start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone. You've been gone. you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away, since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so.
Oh yeah, I want to make one. That's why I said I want to get the crochet stuff.
Oh, they did. That's
So I can make one.
Oh, you gonna make a blanket?
That's why I'm trying to learn how to crochet.
If y'all learn, I want a sweater.
This is cute. I like this. Look at this. It's real cute.
We did not come in here for this.
More stuff they got in here.
At Michael's, they were like $3. It was like 6 cups for $3, and they had different colors. We got green.
They got way more stuff in here than Michael's.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. I really thought that I knew. I really thought that I knew where I had you. I really thought we would be. I really thought you and me were forever. But I guess you had